Cataracts are one of the leading causes of reversible vision loss in older adults, often making it harder for them to drive, to work on a computer, to do their daily activities. Cataract surgery is all about removing that cataract, replacing it with a new lens that restores vision and thereby restores functionality. Cataract surgery is safe and effective, and millions of people undergo it each year, with many experiencing significant vision improvement. In this video, we're going to cover the risks and the rewards of cataract surgery so that you have a better understanding on whether cataract surgery is right for you. So what's the reward? Well, first of all, cataract surgery is an incredibly effective procedure. The surgery itself is relatively quick, and the recovery typically occurs in less than a week. Now, that being said, each patient heals differently, but in most of my patients, they're regaining visual clarity and functionality within about a week. And this is a huge win for a patient that has otherwise had blurred vision for a very long time because of cataracts. On top of that, with recent advances in the cataract surgery technique, along with advances in lens technology, over 95% of patients experience a very successful outcome after the cataract surgery. In terms of advances of the surgical technique, in this day and age, we can use lasers that make the surgery even more precise. On top of that, there's new lens technology that allows for an individual to gain range of vision after the cataract surgery. You could go from being unable to read a book or see faces clearly to enjoying vibrant, sharp sight again. But like with any surgery, there are risks. As I always tell my patients, while cataract surgery is safe and effective, it's still surgery. There are typically 4 main complications of cataract surgery: needing a second surgery after the first one, retinal detachment, infection, bleeding. Now, while these complications are rare, they are still there. And therefore, it's important to discuss those along with the rewards with your cataract surgeon. On top of these major risks, there are other issues as well. In some patients, when you implant a new lens inside the eye does not always adjust to it well. And in those individuals, they may notice some glare, halos around lights. On top of that, while cataract surgery is permanent, and once we take out your cataract and put in a new lens, that new lens will be there for the rest of your life. In some individuals, you can develop what is called a posterior capsular opacification, or PCO for short. And what this is that cells of the original cataract get left behind when we do cataract surgery. At the time of cataract surgery, you simply can't see them. Those cells will migrate to the back of the lens, forming an opacification. This has been described as scar tissue or as a secondary cataract. Now, if this happens, it is something that's easily correctable with a laser procedure that's often done right in the office. So now that you know the risks and the rewards, is cataract surgery worth it? Well, it depends. In individuals where they're experiencing a decrease in functionality because of their cataracts, oftentimes the benefits of doing the cataract surgery outweigh the risks. When the cataract is leading to a decrease in functionality, restoring vision from cataract surgery, the benefit of that outweighs the risk. However, as I always say, while cataract surgery is safe and effective, it's still surgery. And therefore, discussing the risks of cataract surgery with your surgeon along with the rewards is a very important discussion, and you need to have it before the surgery. If you're living with cataracts and wondering whether cataract surgery is the right decision for you, remember that it's not just about the surgery, but also about the impact of the surgery on the rest of your life. Discuss all these things with your cataract surgeon. They should be able to answer all your questions in addition to discussing the risks and the benefits and the alternatives of the cataract surgery. While the risks I've outlined are minimal, they're still there. However, oftentimes the benefit and the upside of the cataract surgery can be life-changing. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or want to share your experience about cataract surgery, just put them in the comments and I'll get back to you. Take care of your eyes, and I'll see you next time.